How to book your doctor appointment through the MyChart application here on your iPhone device, your Android device, or your PC. You can do it on the MyChart application, but I'm doing it on the official website of MyChart here. So let me just open it. You can also use the application for it. So you have to search for book appointment MyChart and then click on the first website you see, that book an appointment with the doctor. Now here you have to select that for which you want to book a doctor or you want to book an appointment here. So if I suppose that I have problem with family practice, I will click on it, click on open scheduling, or you can do it through offline, you can do it online. For online you have to choose the video visit, and for online you have to choose for the second option, and for offline the first option will be okay. Click on this, choose the location, click on continue. Here you have to choose a time slot for your appointment. As you can see that no available items are found, try a different search or call us at 206-781-6353. If you don't get a time or you don't get any slot for your appointment, you simply have to call this number and book your appointment through the MyChart customer service. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.